In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications from Etsy. If you've been feeling overwhelmed by the constant notifications from Etsy, whether it's marketing emails or order updates, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to manage and reduce those notifications using your Etsy desktop account. Starting off, make sure you're signed in. Head over to Etsy.com, simply enter your login credentials to access your account, and you're all set for the next step. Once logged in, locate your profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Give it a click, and from the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. This is your gateway to managing various settings, including your notifications. Now, within the account settings, you'll find different tabs. Look for the one labeled either Emails or Notifications, depending on what is available. Clicking on Emails allows you to manage the marketing emails you receive, while Notifications will let you handle other types of alerts. Take your time to explore both options to get a better grip on what's available to manage. Next, you'll be presented with a list of notification options. Here's where the magic happens. Take a moment to review what you actually need versus what might just be cluttering your inbox. You can start by unsubscribing from Etsy marketing emails. These include promotions, tips, and seller stories that might not always be relevant. Similarly, consider turning off notifications for order updates or favorites, especially if you want to minimize interruptions. If product recommendations aren't your thing, feel free to disable those too. After you've made your selections, it's crucial to remember to click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. This step ensures that all the adjustments you made are applied and saved. And there you have it, a quieter, more focused Etsy experience right at your fingertips. These are essential steps for anyone looking to customize their notification preferences on Etsy's desktop platform. Whether you're running a store or just shopping for unique finds, managing notifications efficiently can enhance your Etsy experience without being bombarded by unnecessary alerts. Having this control means you can focus on what truly matters most to you, enjoying the Etsy marketplace with the alerts that only matter to you. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide will help turn down the noise on your digital life. Until next time, happy browsing on Etsy.